AI-powered meal planning. Imagine having a personal nutritionist available 24/7, guiding you through every meal. AI-driven platforms like Nourish analyze your food preferences, dietary restrictions, and health goals to create highly customized meal plans just for you, making healthy eating effortless. These platforms offer a wide range of recipe options, catering to your taste buds while ensuring optimal nutritional value, so you never get bored. The beauty of AI is its adaptability and precision. As your dietary needs and health goals evolve, Nourish can adjust your meal plans in real time, ensuring continuous optimization and satisfaction. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, build muscle, or simply eat healthier, AI makes it easier than ever to stay on track. Experience the future of meal planning, where every meal is not just a dish, but a step towards your personal health goals and overall well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in food innovation and travel videos.